Good morning, Saturday, April 14th, 2018. As you can see, we have a blizzard. I'm guessing it's somewhere in the 20s outside, mid-20s I'm guessing, or maybe upper 20s. But the wind is gusting up to probably about 50 miles an hour at times. I'm sure it's sustaining 30. So there you go. I'm going to pause it and go to another shot here. Here's our poor willow tree getting some of the nature's pruning done. My antenna out there is for my internet. Smoke tree in the corner, bush. But yeah, April 14th. Go to get another shot here. I was doing a time lapse yesterday of the snow, but the window kept on getting wet and it was hard to see out of, so I'll have to see what I can salvage out of that video. But yeah, when the snow sticks to the windows, you know that the weather is not so good outside. I figured I'd let you hear the wind. Get the screen out so you can see what's going on in here. My curtains are going crazy here. More birds. Yeah, what a mess. Enough of that. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.